Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If we've never met before, my name is Heather Gearhart and I'm so glad that you dropped by today because today we're doing a keto recipe that I think you're gonna love. And if you're thinking about checking out a keto diet, or if you're already in there, I've got a playlist of low carb recipes that are all keto friendly, so check that out. There is an orange chicken one that I actually converted the Panda Express original recipe from and turned it into keto, and it's probably my favorite one. Go check that out and also consider subscribing, and when you do, hit that bell so you're notified of every video that I post, which happens every Tuesday and Thursday. So if you're interested in finding out how to make some low carb green chili chicken enchiladas using a slow cooker or an Instant Pot, stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, so for this recipe, I did use a slow cooker, but if you have an Instant Pot, you can put it on the slow cook, or you can cook it super fast in an Instant Pot and not have to wait all day to try this amazing recipe. So let's jump right in. The first thing that I used was the Keto Connect coconut flour tortillas that you make. I do believe that Kroger has some of the Krogers have it. Mine doesn't. You can order them on Amazon, and I'll link that in the cards below, but I haven't tried those. That's going to be my next thing, is I'm going to be trying those to see if they're comparable. But those are also 4 carbs a piece. They don't have any wheat in it, which is good, but they're 4 carbs a piece. And so I think these ones are less carbs because you're only using 1/3 of a cup of coconut flour, and then the rest of it's no carbs at all. So, and that makes 12 tortillas, and they're really not that hard to make at all. So the first thing that you're gonna do is, in your slow cooker or Instant Pot, you're going to put in boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I use chicken tenderloins. Throw that in your slow cooker or Instant Pot and cook those according to whichever one you're using. And then you're gonna pour some green chili sauce over it. I just buy a store-bought canned version, green enchilada sauce. And in the slow cooker, you're gonna put that on low and cook all day, or high for 4 to 6 hours. If you're using an Instant Pot, just do it according to the poultry instructions. And then you're gonna use 2 forks to shred that chicken. Then to make the coconut flour tortillas, make sure you're using a non-stick pan and also spray it with non-stick cooking spray because you are using egg whites for this. Then you're going to pour a thin layer onto the skillet and gently smooth it out until it is even. Let it cook until it is browned, and then loosen the sides and flip it over carefully. Repeat this process until all the tortillas are done. With this recipe, I got 12 tortillas out of it. Next, you're gonna pour some of the green sauce into the bottom of the pan and swirl it around until it has coated the entire bottom. Grab a tortilla, add some chicken and some cheese. I used extra sharp cheddar. You can use Mexican blend, whatever is your favorite. Fold it over and place it folded side down. Repeat this until all of it is done. After you've done this, pour the leftover sauce and chicken over the tortillas and top it with just a bit more cheese. Let's be real, a lot more cheese. Bake it uncovered at 375 until it's all bubbly. It takes about 30 minutes. And then I like to broil mine for 2 to 4 minutes to make a nice golden crispy top. And that's it. Enjoy, top it with salsa, sour cream, avocados, guacamole, whatever you like. So this is a really easy recipe. Honestly, the hardest part about it is making the tortillas. So if you can use low carb tortillas that you can find that don't have wheat. I know that Mission makes low carb tortillas, but it actually does have some wheat in there. So if you're trying to avoid that entirely, then you're gonna need to purchase real actual low carb tortillas or make your own. And these are not hard to make at all. They're delicate, so you do have to be careful with them. But when you put it into an enchilada mix like this and you top it with sauce and cheese and chicken, you can't tell that it's not regular tortillas. I mean, it doesn't taste like a corn tortilla. It's more like a flour tortilla. But it's really, really good, super easy, great weeknight meal, and I think you're gonna love it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to check out my playlist on other recipes. I have an amazing pancake recipe that it's my favorite. Of course it's my favorite, but it is. And a whole bunch of other stuff, desserts and meals and breakfasts, and check that out. And this entire month, I'm gonna be uploading every Thursday a new keto recipe. So you're gonna wanna make sure you're subscribed. Otherwise, I hope you're having a great day. Stay inspired to try some new stuff, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.